Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Quietcarry IQ here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started, guys, because this is pretty sweet knife. It's really cool and small and sleek, and I like it, honestly. So this is gonna be a T8 for the pivot and a T6 for the handle. Yeah, so we're gonna start with the handle, actually with this carbon fiber scale on this side right over here, and this is one. Let's see if this comes off or if it's okay. So interesting how the screw right over here, you see it's right over, like underneath the interesting, that's kind of spinning on that side, so just keep that in mind. And let me see. So that's the clip screw, which is, okay, like that. Okay, very good. And we're gonna just swap the bit to a T8, and pivot is out. Alrighty, so I like to use like a hard plastic tool just to push the pivot out of that place, like so. And then let's see if this guy is just, yeah, very good, nice and cool. So we're gonna use one of these alcohol swabs just to clean the inside of this one. All right, it's not too dirty, but can use like just a little cleaning over here. Blade has a moving spin, as you can see. All right, so yeah, just be mindful of that. It can be a pain if you lose it, and this is not fixed in position, so just remember that. We're not going to use this anymore. These are more and more common, actually, the washer slash spacer for the bearings. It's something that I'm seeing more and more, and it's a very nice thing, because it's gonna serve to couple purposes. First of all, it's nicer to have ceramic ball bearings, like in this case, because the inertia, I think it's less than a steel one, and they are actually stronger. So you can technically, I think you can't use these, I mean you can, but like straight up against titanium, it might be too abrasive, I don't know. So that's why if you have a layer of steel, it might be your best option to reduce any kind of issue that can arise from the ceramic rubbing up against the titanium. So you can have the best of both worlds, I think. But correct me if I'm wrong, guys, down in the comment, let me know. So also always try to detect the track. See, this side is kind of clean. This side you can see the track of the bearing, so just use that in the right orientation, so to have basically it exposed to the actual bearings. Pivot is D-shaped, very cool, and it's shaped to get in the right orientation only in one side, like so, which is presentation, which is good. Just clean a little bit the oil we got here, and just cleaning a little bit more here. All right, so we are all pretty much good to go. This guy can be like so, with some nano oil going on right over here. Just like 3 drops is enough. And then we've got our blade in, stop in is, let's say, internal. And then we've got the bearing, and let's just do 1, 2, and 3 over here. Very good. And that's done. So next up, we gotta use actually this washer actually over there. I think it's gonna be all right. And this guy can be like so. I think I'm pretty dumb because I just am using this on the wrong side, but not a biggie. That's better, right? What do you say? That's kind of like better. We can use this guy over here. That is a T8, so that's good for our pivot, which is nicely keyed in, D-shaped. So not an issue over here. So we're just gonna do it like not too tight, and then grab our T6 over here. This is going to be the screw for the handle, like that. It's in place, nice. And this is the screw for the little carbon fiber scale. Very good. Let's just give it another, like that. That's fine. Okay, let's see. This is a really sleek knife, guys. Really cool, very elegant, nicely murdered out. We can actually try to improve a little bit the action by adding just a tiny bit of nano oil 85 weight. It's right over here. Just a little drop, like so. On the detent ball, so heavier weight than the one we used for the bearings. Nice and snappy. Okay. There's no blade play. Let's check for blade centering. Let's see if we can actually, because it looks a little bit off center, so oh yeah, now blade is centered, action is okay. Maybe we can just do a little bit less, like so. Still centered. Nice. Action is not stellar on this one, but it's smooth. It needs like a wiggle to get it in the closed position. It's snappy. There's no guillotine effect, but free falls like that. In vertical position, you just need a little wiggle, but it's looking good. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.